Yeah, that is. So forward, I can feel jacket. Good night, one good night, people. Good night. What are they? You know, say, I'm from what here? More they like a topic business. Just here. Cause it's sweet me now here. But on the Jamaican people. You see, I don't know, Jamaican parents don't hate on the pity them because me don't have to call it hate because you know that never take up on yourself and accept one gay pitney. As long as on a pitney turn one batty man, I turn one sodomite, that is not for no. Oh no, that ain't a phone house. Yeah, idiot. So guess what now? Guess what you do? Guess what you do as Jamaican parents? You cast them out of the house and cast them far underneath some place and all improvise to kill them to you see pre. So guess where Jamaican the pitney them do now? We find out so they have them body tendency, you know, and the little girl them want suck pussy now, they hide it. Yeah man, to even this blood clot there, you have some people a blood clot hide it, you know. And you know what? You can't blame the people that want to hide it, you know. You have to blame bumbo clot, them parents. You have to blame the country where they come from. See, you see, Batman them where a fuck girl in them all same way. You have to just blame Jamaica, blame the parents, them blame society because guess what no. You see if at any point only did accept these children and make them children and be a fool and love them pitney, them wouldn't out here hide and a fuck body and a fuck pussy for kill half the people and girl pit them be friend. You understand? Me never need to come out to my mother in a car and me tell them say me do for me like a 1 and 2 like a surgery them and then guess what now? The doctor then done show mommy a one vibes and mommy and them reason and then boom, me go and the doctor and me and the doctor will a reason and he must say, oh, I go on for the boyfriend thing and me I show him say, oh, me have a one chatty when me do with and sitting and he must say him no because Ray and te. But the first time me have ever hold a reason in my mother about a catty still, me about 13, bro, God. You see me nah go tell no lie, about 13, 14, me done him in the 8th grade, dog. You see, pray. When me come in from out of New York, then I tell you, say, boom, bucklad, clocks, my man foot me away, banker bag at school, you see, pray. So, feta come up now, and me I say, oh, you know what me I gonna do? Tell mommy, say, me no want to wear no skirt and no pants, and me I tell mommy straight, me I say, boy, mommy, you know, say, me don't want to wear no girl clothes, got this thing here, because me not comfortable. Me not like it. You see, pray, me say, me not dig this skirt thing and this body rider thing or none of them knickers here. Or no ponytail last year half a man head and thing. You see, pray. And me say, mommy, you know, I say still, me a crutch everywhere, you know. You see me, I say, mommy, you know, me have a... Not a date, you know, but me and somebody a go and Ray and Tay and my mother say, yo, oh, and me a go with the boy name and me I say, oh boy, mommy want to know, say, is a catty. You see me a deal with that, mommy I say, why? She just said, wait for me to tell her because you don't know them did all for them reasoning from me and nappy. And them a say, oh, this is going to be the result and blase. You see, pray. So some you come out to me, mother. You see, pray, me a deal with now, my general. Yeah. When you look on this blood clot sitting on me, I say, I'm a bum buckler, you know, say, me a real sodomite. When you look, you know, bumbo clot, a be a blood clot, boy, close me with the AC man go to school, my friend, man, Bebel, my friend, Clarks, my friend, me have all I want to rave up, come through one more while to me killer. You see me, I deal with young Jenna, you see, pray, me I see, me I see, mommy acceptance out there. I mean, I say, me rascal, why, and mommy I show me, pray now, and mommy I say, you want to know, say, bombs. Me I go so boom and bring you to children's hospital, make a reason with your doctor, we do the surgery. And me I say, alright, boom. Boom, we go in there, me and Dr. Abler reason, and Dr. Abler says, so what go on? And me I say, I'm a general, you know, you go already. Then man I say, what you do right now? Me I say, you know, me I play a ball though. Yeah, man, a ball me I play, you know, you see, pray. So he must say, so what go on if you crush them? You don't have any crush at school? I like him a go around me thing. You see me a deal because him as my doctor don't know how the law thing set up. You see me? Let's go check. Wait a minute, a go around him a go around me for try to figure me out and I say, I agree. Me I say, bro God, me I say, look here. You know some day that cat in him Ray Ray. You see me a deal with and he must say Zine. He must say, alright. Me didn't know this, I go up man blase and show me a couple pictures array and tell you. Me I say, me kiss my rascal and man I say, oh the man arm on ray, and blase, blah. Me I say, alright, boom. So me really never have no awkward moment to say come out because they done out there already say, you see Brie, the general are gonna be this. You see Brie, but if you come here come here, you never come out. Come out and all these things. Between me and you, I believe that all our parents know so we are forgot. You see, forgot them, the whole of them parents and know say I forgot them there. From them young, they know say them they are forgot. So you see that I want to forget this, you know. This I want to forget. My pitney, I want to forget pitney. You see me I deal with? So come here. I when mommy knows say I forgot. Well, you know why I don't forget that because enough illiterate Jamaicans always a mix up a lesbian and with the shit argument, you know. So you want to sodomite. Make me call you sodomite. Because the forgot thing, the whole of them pussy whole you gonna start shit me up and me know that come here and shame me. You see pray. So come here. David Parks.
I was gonna say when she confirmed it, I was 17.
When she confirmed it, you're 17. Rascal. But she know, like, she'd have find out little.
Yeah.
Yeah?
But she was wondering and pondering to herself. She was sneaking about it. She ain't, like, come forward to me about it.
Yeah, she a girl on you. And then she, what you tell her, say, yo, mommy, me want a girl. That you tell her, say?
Yeah, like, there's no explanation for it.
So, you just look for your mother and say, mommy, a girl, me want?
I told her on the phone because she called me.
On the phone?
She called me while she was at work. And said, what is this?
She called you when she at work? I said, what is this?
Yeah. I don't know, my mom never the type of person to like confront me to my face about a lot of stuff.
Oh, so she finds something. What she find?
A letter.
She find a letter? Yeah, say, want to suck your pussy and everything. Like.
Shut up. No, it's just she seen who it was from, the name and whatever, and of course the thing that was in it, so she know. Like, it's a girl. And then, before that though, prior to that, she had seen me with a knife. So, once she found a letter, that's what made her go and be snooping in the room and shit, you feel me? That's what made her want to be curious to find out what the fuck is going on. And then, next day, she called me. I laughed a little bit.
I tell her, I say, I sodomite.
Yeah, I can't really explain nothing other than
me a sodomite. Yeah, fuck it.
I feel about a girl.
Yeah, mommy, I feel this way about a bitch. I should have felt it about a nigga, but it's a girl give me these tendencies.
I don't really remember what she said after that. It's just we never had a conversation about it again.
Why? Blood. And then to this day, you know, what they must say, oh, me I get so fat. You see my belly, lebe, man. You see me? Allow me to be big and sour in peace. You see me? Right now, what do you mean? A cuss and I say, yo, the girl have all the pelican. See me have one whole of blood clot pelican, you know, the blood clot, and me can all hold on upon, hey. When the blood clot and nowadays fatal birth, this, you know. I swear to God, fatal birth at its best. You see, pray. But me glad for that, you know. But we want to raise about a specific other thing now. Just like when I say, oh, me and Camille come out. Well, me never need to come out. They know about me already from my band. The batty man them now, you see, our mama then they kind of accept we like. My father did burn me out, you know, before he did, you know, God rest his soul, you know. God, you know, pussy, you know. Yeah, man, when me did, God rest your soul, you know, God. You're a boss, but you're a pussy. Nigga, I remember what the fuck you said to me on the phone. I was only 17, and I remember it like it was yesterday. You bumble, God rest your soul, you know. You can't, before me own a lesbian as my daughter, I better you're dead. Ray and Tay, you know, all the sodomite as a picnic. Pussy. I'll show you a thing. You have dirty heart, brother. You see me, I deal with you fuck up in yourself, dog. You see me, I deal with enough time and we regret say you're dead in a youth because I want to tell you for your bumbuckler face say he's a pussy hole, dog. Dog, you never did that for me, youth. You never give me no daddy love. I don't have any daddy love, no daddy hugs, no daddy rubs, none of that. You see, Pri? You fuck with me, dog, deep. You see, Pri? Like I see you. You see, Pri? Every time I look in, I say, oh, you see it? Probably I didn't need a 1 and 2 hug from daddy. You never know, you see, Pri? But you want to fuck with me, bro, God. And then, bro, God, will tell you, when your mother call, you know, and your mother call, you know, me, they have blood clot. Jacksonville, I mind my own blood clot business. Because the other side of the family never knows me have blood. I do something there. You see, Pray, me think that that's a long time, Garfield. You see, Pray, God, build dog. You see me? Boom, your mother call you on the phone. Say she see me in a car with girl. You see, Pray. You know. Not even call. I make me have a man-to-man race. Well, man to your pitney, reasoning. You call your... I say, what you wanna? Me such a bum buckler, man. Me such a... You wanna deaf me? Me I say, yo, brother. Me I say, man, give me a chance. Me I say, yo, brother. You see me? I say, yo, brother, you really not give me a chance. You don't wanna say that. Me I say, yo, joke this. You see me? You not give me a chance. Explain. Me say, oh, my born. Me say, oh, my born. Me say, oh, my born. You man not hear how me born. So tell me if you the on top of my voice too. Me say, oi. Me must say in a day with me from your youth, bro. God, you not even give me no money for me, bro. God, I'm me a one. All of my life, youth. So you at school me now, brother. What is? You see me at school me now, me a big man, my youth. You see me a David, bro. God, you see me? Well, we didn't come to Jamaica. Me I say, brother, you're a joke, you see, bro. Me I say, you what done with me? Just show me a lesbian. You see your Jamaican parents ignorant, my father. You man a real love like a hug. Me I say, could this bumbuckler man? I mean live. You see, after that, me and you, daddy, sit down, pan blood clean, 3 thump and reason. Why you couldn't make me a reason for the first? Eh? And you still a bun me out and I talk about how me suck pussy and any plate to me name out and me fit dash you away. Any fuck me name with me fit dash you away. Me say what?
No, it's just because if my daddy was to ever, I would just laugh in his fucking face because I couldn't take it serious. I wish you would ever tell me something like that.
Daddy a pussy one. Yeah. I mean that is a hey, you cup them. That is a national cup them, everything like yours. Some of days, they say, oh, what that for? Let me say, what that for? Hear that, you know? Hear that to me, you know? Me I can bring some food, come give. Notice me say me I can bring some food, come give. Keep the plate, keep the fork. Me I can bring a soda, so me not have to bring no cup. You see, Pri? And just you eat that. Any amount of food in there, just fuck up that and then you don't dash away the plate or wash out the plate. I said, the man I said me a boss, you know, my friend. You see me a day with the man I said me a boss. Me don't show you a thing now. I want my stress on to go show you with my uncle them now. I have an uncle there, you know. Name never, you know. Love me to your heart, you know. But you can't talk to your dog with this sodomite activity, man. When me I do nothing sodomite like, and Mr. Rasta come, I run, my friend, me not ask my friend, man. Me don't make Rasta see me do nothing at all, like someone called to no girl or go on like me rough or tough, you know. Cause them man, they burn you out cold, you know, my friend, them man, they eat meat, you know, you. You see me, I do them man, they are meat. You see, that's what I try to show you, say, man, take things serious. Yes, I'm blood clot. Well, hey, Rasta make me get boyfriend. Make me boss you out, Rasta. You better told me free there, you dog. I force me a dog. Two me fucking terrified of you. Me have all one boyfriend. Me say where? Is that Rasta what you? Boyfriend. Up. Right? Is it me? Rasta proud. Rasta proud. They say yes. Can't take it away. Me run, man. Run the front yard. Move me left me down the yard there. And the Rasta provision. Me have to kiss me rascal. You see me a dude? Rasta now put up with no bumbo clad fuckery. Me have to straight in a line. Push hole. You see me a deal with my friend? Them the time they tell you see man. Beer steam fish my friend and chunks and them thing them and I hate my friend. Rasta feet chunk. You see free brother? Everything about the Rasta feet me know. You see pray. One time girl I see them period then I supposed to go around man and so till that God. Not even if he eat out I see him pot like the man. She not eat out I see him plate either. She not even pass him a drink of water. She not touch nothing for him for the whole of that the bladings there. Yeah dog. The man give me a new feet. I said Jesus Christ. New feet. I said one buckler. Jesus. I said I said to Rascal. I have left yes sir. Me have left yes sir. Yes, to pussy clog one at time, me see me dead and me look like me down there with a Rasta one at time. Me I say kiss me ras, me lose myself. Me I tell you say underneath Rasta provision, me I know myself none at all youth. Me I say yo mommy, offer it. Me say mommy just buy the ticket and make me do me thing. You see me? Make me do me thing, cause I can't take this shit no more. Being blood clot, what you is, and down in Jamaica, your life is very hard. That's why you have so much undercover Batman down there. And undercover sodomite down there. Because you cannot come out to your Jamaican parents and tell them, say, yes. Yeah, right now, one of Camille cousin just come out and a Camille get the blame for you all I sodomite and batty activity what go on in our family now. Because a Camille have public marriage to woman.
They know like I know they better leave my fucking name out their mouth.
Camille, me hear your name get called and dragged in at this dog time, but oh, Camille is a big sodomite.
But I never brought it to, that's the one thing about it. I've always been who I was, but I never threw it in nobody's face. I never brought it home now until like, of course I was old enough to just go out on my own and just be, you feel me? I ain't never had to bring nobody at home. So when my sister came out of the closet, bitch, she never seen no gay person around me. Never. Brittany used to ask me why the fuck was I eating pussy? Why? The whole time she, you feel me, finna have what she's feeling. So it ain't had shit to do with me. That's why you deserve to get cussed the fuck out, because they had shit to do with me why Brittany turned out to be how she was.
Cause she even ate it until she loved it. No.
It ain't even that. She was just curious. You know, that's how, I guess that's how some people are. I don't know.
Yeah.
It happened to people that I knew back then stopped being my friend when they found out that I liked girls, and now they're bisexual or they're lesbians. And
I want to be your friends again now, yeah?
I ain't know, but it don't work that way because I'm not friendly, so them hoes can't be my friends, but because I remember.
No for no man them we doing right now. They are faggots. Even old time Batman there when I want to come out of the closet and then it's like the suitcase pack down your door as I see Batty life here and them are going to tell us that them are a fish. Me don't like them Batman there. Everything about your Batty life. And then you're looking at my face with that dreadful lie like that, say I'm a batty man. Me not like that. And me can't say me not like that, and just because of where him come from, you know, babes. You understand me? I just that, you know. Bumbo, I'm never going to get my next fish tank up and running.
That's why I said, I don't know how it would have been growing up in Jamaica, because I was very feisty when I was young. I didn't give a fuck about what people had to say. I still don't now, but I just really didn't give a fuck a lot more back then. So I know I would have got fucked up.
Everybody ever ask me what me a drink, so this me a drink. Come here. You never tell me see you faced it back then, can you still face it now? You see, Prince?
No, I just, you know, I have a lot more manners. I'm more respectful, I feel.
No.
I know, I still don't give a fuck with a person, you know, about that. Hell, fuck no. Bitch, I grab ass in public, I don't care about that. That I don't give a fuck about, but
I know say you grab ass in public, cause you're not easy. Yes. But Jamaican parents do not want to own the body man, them, you know.
You have to own me. I don't give a fuck.
Well, somebody asked me, Mr. Period. I mean, Mr. Period. More while, my period different from fear, though. It do its thing, my friend. What can I say about it? Well, you see, yeah, man. The reason why them things them be is the reason about period. Is a period with a reason about period. Let's do it. No reason about period, guys. A period, a strong topic that yes, I see period. Yeah. My period, it's out of this world. I don't know what to say about it. I don't know how to explain it because I don't know. Yeah. Every 20 something days, like a drippings go on, is a big pipe. Period, my period, let's go, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. Hey, if I want me to period, my period, it balance. Yes, me know I'm not drip hard. I don't drip too hard. You know, it's not a wave. You feel me? So I don't. What? Never. I don't. You know? Yeah. Me. Alright, me not go all the reason because I can say it's very fucking awkward for me right now. You feel? Let's not have any reasoning about these things with Pretty, cause I don't know where to fucking start. You feel me? Yes, I menstruate. I do. I get my menstrual monthly. Yeah. So you get a one pad and boops. Is it very alright, you see how the thing start is like, alright, my friend, because it's not a thing where you can explain if you say you would. Is it? Yeah, I mean, period. You see, like, come on. You know it go already, girls. Yeah. Yes, and the blood clot there, man. Yeah, so basically, menstrual. Yeah. Easy, bro. Yo, I don't want to talk about them little thing there. You see, bro? You know what reason about Rasta? Rasta boy, me I try to tell you, say, yo, One time my uncle them me looking at myself, dog. You can't be who you really want to be. Them are gonna beat you, yo. You see me? And everybody gonna beat you. You're gonna text out fuck. You see me? Yeah. Hey, in Jamaica they force you to be what you don't want to be, but hey, you have to do it because if you don't do it, they will beat you. You see?
I didn't grow up like that. I don't force us not to be wrong boys.
Then if Jamaican parents are like that, force them girl picking up to be around boys, then when girls start fuck them beat them. You know how that. I understand here. What is it? Bumbuckler. Let me catch you around under them boy. They better go on over this and plot up here with the rest of the girl. Boy, come in your breast, they look succulent. So we just go watch the grudge a while ago. The ending sloppy.
Yeah, I like the ending.
The ending sucked. It looked like so then they just well want to make some money.
Put some shit out there.
I can't believe I saw it done. It never have no point.
I didn't even watch the credits. As soon as I said, man, get the fuck up, cause
Baby, blood clot, baby, your breast look mouth watering. And you're gonna cry up on your body like ants. So pick up the phone, now you're home. You just say mine. It's just a game of love, love, love. And now it hurts, baby. I can never give you up. You're the one I'm dreaming of. I can't live without your love. Yo, my ear, a bag of things me ear are going with. Some of it purple, some of it, yo, brother. My ear, I'll show you what it is the condition of me. You don't know what me I deal with. Yo, you see me ear side? It's a portrait of myself. You don't know me I deal with. Yeah, you don't know me I did. I'm like saying you don't know me I did. Yo, no, Chevron, that's a movie, a bomb clot that you think is a weed about you, so. High grade! What they look like, they're a god out of this world. Discombobulate. Oh, you mean? Yeah, you never know. Go and look it up. Them don't know so them words are out there. I mean, come on. You're discombobulated, cause... Yeah, discombobulated motherfuckers out there, I'm telling you. Ooh. You know what I said?